This is going to be great. Go to uscode.house.gov. This is the United States Code, consolidated and codified by subject matter of general and permanent laws of the United States. It is prepared by the Office of the Law Revision Council of the United States House of Representatives. You see this, Title III, the President? That means the President is subject to the laws and statutes of the United States government, which means if you scroll all the way down and click Title 18, Crimes and Criminal Procedure, then you go down to Title 18 of the U.S. Code, Chapter 13, Subsection 242, Deprivation of Rights under Color of Law. That's right here. You go ahead and click View. Text contains those laws in effect on January 20th, 2025. Part 1, Crimes, Chapter 13, Civil Rights. Subsection 242. Whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien or by reason of his color or race. See, that is one clause, and that is one clause. Then are prescribed for the punishment of citizens. Okay, so shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both. And if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of the section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated abuse or an attempt to commit aggravated abuse, or an attempt to, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to execution. The FBI website clarifies, acts under color of any law include acts not only done by federal, state, or local officials within the bounds or limits of their lawful authority, but also acts done without and beyond the bounds of their lawful authority, provided that in order for the unlawful acts of any official to be done under color of law, the unlawful acts must be done while such official is purporting or pretending to act in the performance of their official duties. This definition includes, in addition to law enforcement officials, individuals such as mayors, councilpersons, judges, nursing home proprietors, security guards, etc., persons who are bound by laws, statutes, ordinances, or customs. Why is that not included on the House version of that code? Because in that version, they use the word principles, which according to Title 18 of the U.S. Code, Chapter 2, Subsection 2, whoever commits an offense against the United States or aids, abets, counsels, commands, induces, or procures its commission is punishable as a principle. Whoever willfully causes an act to be done, which if directly performed by him or another would be an offense against the United States, is punishable as a principle. So the reason why they don't have all the lists of the authority figures who could possibly be charged is because this definition includes not just the people who are directly in charge, but anyone who gives them information. That's what counseling means. That's what counseling means. So, like, if you were consulted about how could I possibly legally or even illegally get away with this, if you know something is against the law and you continue to run it through the legislature, knowing that it's a direct violation of the US Code, which when it comes to civil rights are specifically protecting civilians against state abuses. Like, this isn't one of those things that you can just choose not to prosecute, that you can just choose. I mean, you can, but then under the very document that gives you power, you're a criminal and need to be taken out of a position of authority. See, here's the thing. A lot of us just want to see people not hold a position of authority. The problem is those people are willing to kill us, which an attempt to kill, again, means you might risk execution legally. So remember your oath to uphold the United States Constitution, which includes making it so that pagans and non-Christians of all different varieties don't have to follow the rules of people who are hypocrites and not even following their own book. Isn't that funny how the same people who don't follow the Bible but insist on using the authority of God to assert their own are also the same sorts of people that don't even bother to follow their own law, but insist it gives them the authority to punish people? Makes you think.